So over here, when we're still outside, okay, we can say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and we step with the left foot inside the bathroom. Okay, if you have a bathroom with toilet like this, it is better to close the lid of the toilet when you perform wudu. Okay, and then inside there, when you wash your hand, you say Bismillah, right? But inside the bathroom, you cannot say it loudly. You say it with your heart. Bismillah. Okay. Okay, I will show you first. Okay. I have this. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I can just go inside because this is our room. In the masjid, they will have special area for wudu. Then you can sit down. Always from the top to the over here, we're going up. Another next. Just one time. You can put on the neck also if you want. And then this one. Make sure you put your finger between the toes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. And then you got out. You step with the right, and then you say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. That's it. Okay. Can you do it?
I'll try. Okay, so Bismillah.
Yeah, outside. Okay. Yes.
So,
Yeah, wash your hand. Yeah, 3 times.
starting with the right.
No, all both of them. Yeah. Yeah. And your mouth. Rinse your mouth 3 times. And your nose, put it in your nose, sip it a little bit and then blow it 3 times. Okay. And your face 3 times. Yeah. And then your right hand 3 times. Remember, put water between the fingers. Okay, make it clean. Yeah. Until above the elbow. Make sure the elbow also wet above it. Yeah, above, yeah. And then the left one the same 3 times. Okay. Make sure the front also get wet over here. Yeah. And then your head. Yeah. Just 1 time. Go to the ear and the neck also. That's it. And then the right leg, right one, right first, yeah. Make sure between the toes also get wet, and then wash it or rinse it until above the ankle. Yeah, 3 times. And the left one, the same thing. Make sure the water rinse between the toes, and then make sure all the feet get wet until above the ankle. Okay, and then you're done. Okay, and then when you go out from the bathroom, right out, and then you say Alhamdulillah. But when you enter the masjid, the right one is enter first, and then when you out from the masjid, the left one goes first. Just opposite to the bathroom. Okay, we're gonna pray together at upstairs. Okay, good.